My name's Jim Mowat. I'm the director of Snowdonia Design and Print Limited, based in Portmedic, North Wales. We're a print company primarily, but we do design work, the whole range of print work from wide format, digital through to the litho traditional type of printing. We definitely need the internet connection, we definitely need it for file transfer, and we've noticed that the software vendors are going cloud-based where you download their programs. The perfect example was Adobe Creative Cloud. We subscribed before we had the fibre broadband, and I remember installing it on one of the computers, and you literally had to walk away and leave it. It would have taken a good couple of hours, a good few hours. You just had to leave it and let it get on with it. Now it's pretty much click download and it's there. When I first looked at it, it was down to, it was a good price, and I thought, well, we've got nothing to lose because it's not a lot more, so it was quite a sensible commercial decision to take. But we probably didn't realise how much more of an advantage it is, and we probably still don't realise because you don't spend time looking and noticing. I think initially you would click to download something, you think, oh, what's happening? Well, it's already there, and because you were used to it in the past where it would take 5 or 10 minutes to go off and make a cup of tea or wherever. When we didn't have it, you something that you don't have, you don't really miss, but when you've got it, if it was taken away, we would probably notice a big difference.